What's good, fam, and my fellow apprentices? I'm about to show y'all how to replace this drain line. Now, I already tried to get this off. It was a little bit of more lip, but it still broke off on me. So what I'm gonna have to do is I'm gonna have to cut it. Cut it with this without messing up the threads that's in there. Then, since this part broke off right here, I'm gonna go ahead and cut it as close as I can. I took that old shit out. I didn't want to go downstairs and have to do all this and do some cutting, so I just kind of reamed it out and cleaned it out, man. I ain't gonna lie. I'm being lazy, but that's okay. You're gonna get your new fitting right here. I already started it, but you're gonna get it on there and start spinning. Here's your cut piece to make it fit right here. I already fitted and everything, so I'm gonna show y'all what you gotta do